Hello and welcome to another cocktail kitchen. It's an interesting one today. We're making a highball cocktail that, as you know, is just, in a Collins glass or a highball glass. And I've got my ice prepared there. It is a tequila-based cocktail, and we haven't had many, if any, tequila-based cocktails on this video series before. So, welcome, tequila, to the videos. Huzzah! This is called a 212 cocktail that is named after the famous area code of Manhattan-based phone numbers. It was designed by an organization called New York Contemporary Cocktails, and it's called 212 not only after the area code, but because of the measurements of the components of the drink. We all know that 718 is the hot area code nowadays, but 7, 1, and 8 as the measurements. I'll have a design a cocktail that's made just for Brooklyn-based area codes. But let me tell you what those components are going to be. So we are using tequila, as mentioned. This is a reposado tequila. Reposado, isn't that a collection of works or items that an artist performs regularly? No, that's a repertoire. Anyway, reposado tequila is just tequila that has been aged for a short duration of time. It's anywhere, I think, between 30 days and a year, and usually in oak barrels. What that does to the tequila is it mellows it out a bit, but not so much that it moves the flavor too much away from its powerful kind of base notes. So it's a reposado tequila. We are using also an aperitivo. We're using Aperol today. That is the second ingredient. And then the fresh juice ingredient is ruby red grapefruit juice. I have juiced some from grapefruits that I had in the house, but as always, if you don't have fresh grapefruits or they're not around you right now, just get a brand that tastes really good and you should be okay. Now, let's start with the measurements. As mentioned, it's 2, 1, and 2. So, 2 shots of this tequila, that is 30 mils a shot, so 60 mils going into this drink. I only juiced half of a grapefruit, so let's see in a second. This will be, do I have enough grapefruit juice? The 1 is the Aperol. So 30 mils of the Aperol going into this, 1 shot. I'm not throwing away my shot. I'm sure there's a better parody that exists than what I've just done in that 2 seconds. So tune in. That's tequila again. More tequila. Honestly, I haven't had one of these yet. Okay, and 2 shots of fresh grapefruit juice. Do I have enough? Just, thank you, half a grapefruit. Okay, so 2, 1, and 2. Give it a shake. What am I mad about today? Oh, I got one. Don't you worry. Ugh. Why is it always gotta start raining as soon as I put my laundry out? Come on, man. I don't know what's in those rain clouds. Those are my underpants out there, man. Okay. There we go. Let's take that out. I can hear it. Make it noise in there. Pour it over your ice in your highball or Collins glass. Blah, blah, blah. Ooh, it's a nice color. What did I do with my orange slice? There was an orange slice around here. I'm gonna edit this out. Hang on. Beep. I'm back. Okay, I've got my orange slice, and that is the garnish that just goes on the side there. Now, I had a note in my book that I liked this previously. It was a 9 out of 10 for me. Do I still like it? Let's find out. I do. Welcome to my face tequila cocktail. Hey everybody, I hope you have a great weekend. Cheers, thanks for watching.